Ladies and gentlemen, it is about to freaking rain here in Texas,
Liberty
in
Hill.
the Liberty Hill area. It has not rained out here for about a good 3.5 to 4 fucking months. Eric, where's your response on this?
Awesome! I'm gonna stand in the rain.
Anything else?
Nope.
You gonna go nuts?
I said this.
Okay, fuck you too. Okay, now we're gonna go live to my mother. Mother, hi, how you doing? What's up? So, what's your opinion on this rain? Finally, after 4.5 months.
It's about time.
It's about goddamn time, right?
It's about time.
About to get rid of this drought, get some rain. Heard earlier there was a little lightning rumbling incident we heard earlier, correct? Yes?
Yep.
Cool. Sweet. Well, folks, you've heard it here. It's gonna freaking rain, and it's gonna be awesome. We've seen lightning, we witnessed thunder, we witnessed rumbling. It's gonna be great. Yeah, those are neighbors across the street over there, you know. I videoed JJ earlier, he flipped off my iPad. I think that's JR and JJ right there. Some sprinkles just hit my face. It's starting to get raining out here. We are about to. It's coming. I'm experiencing water. Wait, the rain's picking up. It's picking up. It's coming. It's coming hard. Look how dark it is. You can feel the power. Whoa!
Eric, go down there. Hey, go down
It's
there.
coming. It's coming. It's coming.
I need to rescue my son.
We're going to rescue. Hey, Pepe. Pepe. Pepper in. Hi. Mom, can you believe it's about to rain? It's raining. Oh, shit. It's coming. Retreat.
Let's go.
I would blister my toe. Retreat. It didn't get wet.
Woo! It got windy.
Quick.
Yeah, yeah. Real quick.
Let's see what their answer is.
What did you step on? Can you believe it? It's freaking raining. Look at these. This is rainwater. It's awesome.
We're just losing our minds. Normal stuff.
See? Rain.
Extra sound you hear.
It's
Football.
raining. It's freaking raining.
That's it. I'm going out there.
Okay, Eric's going out. Eric's going out. He has lost his mind. See, my brother is standing in the rain. Okay, now he's just going to sit in the rain. Yeah, I would not be doing that. Because I have my iPad and I'm recording this video. I would so not be sitting in the rain. He's lost his marbles.
If you're going to throw it up, throw it high enough and outside enough that only your receiver can make the play. He underthrew it. And Kenny Vaccaro has an easy interception.
UCLA had not thrown an interception either quarterback in the first couple of games. Are they taking care of that here? In the first.
Come here. Okay, that church with the holy iPad. I'm gonna go stand. It feels good out there. Okay. It just sits over right there.
Now Lee will go into the rain. In the background you see Dominique. If you can see her at all. Run, girl, run! You stupid son of a gun. Yeah, you were dumb enough to do that. There goes your DX. D Generation X. Salute. You've lost it.
Oh, it's cold.
And that concludes this video.